Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I am so happy that you all are here. Would you like to see how I make this Trini style coconut pot bake? Well, keep watching. Okay everyone, so let's get started. Alright, so we're going to get started with our flour in this bowl. Okay, so now we're going to add our brown sugar. Okay, so now we're going to work the sugar in, mix to well combine. Okay, next is our organic coconut oil. And we're going to work that in as well. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, so now we're going to add our freshly grated coconut. And we're going to work that in as well. Guys, it is really good when you can grate the coconut and freeze it, you know, like parcel it out in like 2-cup portions, and you know, you freeze it, put it in the freezer, and you know, Ziploc bags, and whenever you know you want to make something, you just go grab the coconut and let it defrost. Alright, so now I'm gonna move on to our coconut milk. Okay, so we're gonna add our coconut milk, and it is warm, by the way. Okay, so we just want to bring this together, all together. Okay, so this is the texture that you're looking for. Just need for about 1.5 minutes. Alright, so you want to just make a nice ball. Okay, like so. Looks good, right? Okay, so we're going to cover this for about half an hour. Okay, then we'll bring you back. Okay guys, so my dough has been resting for about 35 minutes. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna place it into my 9-inch round pan. So I'm gonna press down and I'm gonna push it out into a nice circle. And I think I might have failed to mention earlier, guys, that I did make the coconut milk. So what I did, I put it into my magic bullet with a little warm water, and I just blend it. Okay, and then I strain it out with a strainer. Okay, okay, so now I'm gonna prick this with a fork, and we're gonna let this sit for about 8 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so I will bring you back in a minute, in about 8 minutes. Alright guys, so I just took it out of the oven and it has been in there for 40 minutes. Okay guys, it smells so good in the kitchen, so good. So I'm gonna top it with some butter and I'm gonna let it cool a bit before I cut it for you. Okay, so of course I had to make a little buljol to go with my coconut bake, and I already have the recipe for the buljol on my channel, so I will leave that link in the description box if you are interested. Okay, so I will be cutting my bake soon to let you see how I put the buljol with the bake. All right, and you can use it with cheese or, you know, whatever you like, basically. All right, so we're gonna cut into our nice. Okay everyone, I want to thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you will give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.